Hello, back again with me, Drazen. Today I will introduce you to event system in Construct 2. For that, I will use this sprite, named player. This sprite also have 8 direction behavior. I will also add keyboard. Now let's move to event sheet. This is your event sheet. Here is where you make all the game rule, control and many more. It's all translated into event. For example, I will make an event. This event is not completed yet. This is called the condition. This is the requirement for action to work. Here I make the condition is W key must be down. Now let's add the action. I have make an action which is player simulate control up. Now this event is completed. Let's test it. Now if we hold W key, player will move up. So that is event. Here we have condition. And here we have action. And together they become an event. I will not talk about all condition or action, since there is so many of them. I am not even using them all yet. It's better if you explore it by yourself or following tutorial to understand specific condition or action. You can also add more than one action for one condition. You can also have 2 condition for one event. You just need to right-click the event, choose Add. Then choose Add another condition. Now we have 2 condition. For the action in this event to work, we need to get both condition done. In this case is we need to hold down S key and Shift key. The action is to move down. Now if we test it. The player not gonna move if we only press S key or Shift key. It will only move if we press both. But you can also make the event only need one condition for the action to work. You just need to change it to OR. This means we only need to press S key or Shift key for the action to work. Now let's talk about what I like to call nested event. The way I like to explain it is, there is main and sub event. The sub event will only run, while the main event run. To add sub event, just right click an event, choose Add. Then add sub event. Let's make the main event. In this case I make condition space is down. But I will leave the action blank, since I don't want anything to happen when I am holding down space. Now here I am making the sub event. I will just make 2 sub event. Here I will just make 2 sub event. Which holding A key down will make the player move left, and holding D key down will make the player move right. So in this nested event, I make the player move left if I am holding A key down, and move right if I am holding D key down, but it will only happen if I am holding space down, since it is the main event. Just so you know, you can copy an event, condition and action with drag it while holding Control key down. For deleting, select the condition, action, or a whole event then just press Delete key on your keyboard. If you right-click on blank space on event sheet, there is option to add group, variable, or comment. Comment is for leaving a note in your event sheet. You can write a note about an event, and then place that comment near that event. Group is for grouping your event. It will make your event sheet more neat, and easy to read. It's very useful when you already have so many event in your event sheet. You can also enable and disable it easily, with right-click it, and choose Toggle Disabled, or the shortcut is select it and press D. This feature is very useful when debugging. You can also control a group enable, or disable from an event. It's called Set Group Active. After choose it, type the group name, and then select to set it to active it or not. I will talk about variable in the next video. Okay everyone, I think that's it the basic you need to know about event system. I hope you learned something. Leave a comment if you think there is something I miss or wrong, leave a like if you like this and want more. And don't forget to subscribe to follow this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.